our dream is to start up our own recruitment. The name is Expert Recruitment, and we're aiming for top shots in the project management sector and also in the oil and gas sector.
Yeah, as well as a bit of in the health and social care and sector. It's been a really brilliant experience. I mean, I've known Joe for quite some time now, but it's been amazing spending time with him. I mean, the information he shares, this is not something you can find. It's very rare to find people who are real experts in the industry. He walks you through step by step in person every single requirement in you winning your first clients and winning your first paycheck. So it's I would recommend this to anybody because this is somebody who is a real industry expert who's sharing the knowledge about everything in recruitment. The very amazing thing is we sat down with Joe, and then right before us, he contacted a client who's looking for a finance director in the NHS. And it was just amazing because everything he said was like magnet. The client was really engaged from the very first conversation, and right from then he was able to send a CV to the client. We made contact with a candidate who already uploaded a CV, and it was exactly the same. Absolutely fantastic. So it's a training I would recommend, because if you work with Joe, you can get all this information, and then it would walk you through all the challenges, because of course it's real life and you face obstacles. So the amazing thing is you have one-to-one contact, you have first-hand knowledge speaking with him, and then he can walk you through every single thing. So I highly recommend this training for anyone who's looking to establish a career in the recruitment industry.
Yeah, I mean, when we came before the start of the training, we were a little bit nervous, thinking how will it go and what will the process. But the training with David made it very calm, and I think we were really motivated, isn't it?
Absolutely.
We're motivated, and in fact, having the dream in our mind now to make sure that we get this through. And I mean, good with it, something successful for our family.
Yeah, so you walk away from here thinking, I just have to put in the work. You will feel like you've been equipped to just get on with it quickly. So this is an amazing opportunity for anyone, as I said, who wants to start in the recruitment agency, because like I said, you won't find this in manuals, you won't find this in books. It's a great opportunity to get involved with this. It's an amazing one.
Thank you.